Flanders Smart Fields project aims to bring 5G connectivity to the Westhoek region, the most rural part of West Flanders, a province in the Flemish region of Belgium. The region is committed to the early adoption of new technology, improving services via digitalization, guarantee a high quality of life, and reduce carbon emissions. The Flanders Smart Fields project is part of this broader plan and brings 5G connectivity to this region to provide enhanced services in healthcare, public safety, and education. By deploying a stable 5G private network across the region, supporting IoT sensors and high-bandwidth communications, the project enables the local hospital to provide real-time remote assistance via connected emergency vehicles and use drones to deliver blood samples, reducing transport costs, traffic, travel time, and CO2 emissions. Remote assistance will improve pre-hospital care, reducing serious health consequences and save lives. Secondly, children with long-term illnesses, thanks to 5G, can participate in real-time classes remotely. Citizens can have access to home-based e-health services and broader access to medical specialists and counselling. Flanders Smart Fields, supported by CEF Digital funding, showcases the EU's commitment to bridging the digital divide and fostering innovation.
Ready to embrace the future with cutting-edge 5G technology? Apply for CEF Digital funding and lead the way in shaping a more connected Europe.